If you keep forgetting English words, no matter how many times you study them, don't worry, you're not alone. But today, I'll show you how to finally fix that forever. Welcome back to Fluent English Power, where your English grows stronger every single day. If remembering English words feels like a big challenge for you, this video is made just for you. You're about to learn how to train your brain to store words in a way that they never disappear. No more forgetting. No more getting stuck while speaking. Just smooth, confident English word by word. Why we forget words. First, let's understand something very important. Forgetting is natural. When you learn a new word, your brain doesn't know if it's important or not. If you don't use it, your brain thinks, this is not useful, and deletes it. So the real key is not just learning the word once, but making your brain feel that this word matters. That's what we'll focus on today. Step 1. Connect new words to images. Our brains love pictures. If you try to remember the word apple just as a sound or text, it might fade away. But if you connect apple to a real image, red, shiny, sweet, something you can see in your mind, the word becomes stronger. Every time you learn a new word, take 3 seconds to close your eyes and imagine that word as a picture. This one habit makes a big difference. Step 2. Use the word instantly in real sentences. Reading the word is good, but using the word is powerful. When you learn a new word, speak it in your own sentence right away. For example, if you just learned confused, don't wait. Say, I was confused during the test. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to use it. That's how the word becomes a part of your active vocabulary. Step 3. Repeat, but smartly. Repeating is important, but not all repetition is equal. Reading the same list again and again gets boring and your brain stops paying attention. Instead, repeat the word in different ways. Say it out loud in the morning. Use it in a sentence in the afternoon. And write it in your notebook at night. Small touches, different methods, that's how your memory gets stronger. Step 4. Group words with meaning. Don't study words one by one like random numbers. Group them. Learn words that go together. For example, instead of learning just hungry, learn I'm hungry, very hungry, get hungry, feel hungry. This builds context, and context is what your brain remembers best. It's like connecting the word to a full web, not just a single point. Step 5. Teach the word to someone else. Here's a secret most learners don't know. When you teach someone a word, you remember it better. Explain a new word to your friend, or just pretend to teach it out loud. Your brain will work harder to understand and explain, and that deep thinking will lock the word in your memory. Try it once, and you'll feel the change. Step 6. Shadowing sentences with new words. Take a short sentence that has the new word and speak along with it. This technique is called shadowing. It's great for pronunciation, fluency, and word memory. Let's say the word is excited. You can shadow a sentence like, I'm really excited about the trip. Repeat it with rhythm, speed, and feeling. This makes the word feel real and useful in conversation. Step 7. Turn words into daily life practice. Make your environment your teacher. When you walk into the kitchen, name things in English. Cup, plate, fridge. When you're getting ready in the morning, think in English. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm putting on my shirt. This is how you create real connections between life and language. That's how words stay. Remember, learning English words is not about memory tricks only. It's about building small habits and repeating them with energy. You don't need to memorize 50 words a day. Just focus on 5 words, but really use them, feel them, and live them. In time, they become yours, not just in your brain, but in your mouth, your confidence, and your everyday English. Now it's your turn. Pick one word you want to remember today, just one, and try every step we learned. Write it in the comments too, so I can see your progress. And if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Fluent English Power for more powerful lessons. Every video is here to bring you closer to fluent, natural English.